Dear viewers, welcome to our Home Cart Genie Fashion channel. In today's video we are going to present here different types of best grain mills design ideas. The manual grain mill wins hands down. Even though it's a manual mill, the WonderMill Junior really is the king of grain mills in our opinion. You have the stone and the burrs, are the best of both worlds. You can grind dry flour from dry grains and beans, like wheat, barley, oats, and so on. In addition, you can grind wet beans, seeds, and even coffee. So, the grain mill is definitely the ultimate tool for milling your own peanut or almond butter, or even cashew butter or pumpkin seed butter. When we were looking around for a portable flour mill to mill our homegrown grains, we shopped for quite a while, and the mill stood out for many reasons. Aside from being impeccably crafted, it has a powerful and solid motor that quickly turns whole grains into flour of any texture. By simply rotating the hopper, you can adjust for the texture of flour you want, achieving everything from roughly cracked grains, to very coarse flour, to ultrafine flour. You just pour the grains into the hopper and out comes the most fragrant, sweet-smelling, fresh flour. Having access to a grain mill really makes you fall in love with the magnificent world of whole grains and the incredible diversity of nutritious and tasty flours that can take your cooking and baking to a whole other level. Different types of best grain mills designs are given in this video for your collection ideas. Please watch till the end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting contents. Thank you. Good day.